What's up, everybody? Today's minute study tip is all about studying efficiently. And how do you do that? By setting specific goals every time you sit down to study. Now, this is especially important if you're preparing for a huge exam like a final exam or a standardized test like the SAT or ACT. Each time you sit down to study for the SAT, you want to make sure that you have a set list of specific math topics that you want to knock off in that study session. If you map it out that way, it's not only going to prepare you in the best way possible, but it's also going to relieve a lot of anxiety and stress because you know where you're going and you know where you're supposed to end up. The last thing to remember is to be flexible with your study schedule. Things may happen and it may get shifted, but that's okay. You can always realign it back with your particular goals. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please click that like button. And if you want to see more from the Scalar Learning channel, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you all next time. Take it easy.